Traffic's all backed up here. Right on the shoulder now. Actually, we're heading to turn around. We're going to be headed back westbound.
Heading turn around, going back westbound, 1207.
36 Central, I'm jumping in. I'm lead car.
Clear 36 lead car, 1207.
He's taking the shoulder. He's doing a U-turn. We'll stop him.
Clear, shoulder, U-turn, we'll stop him. All Follow Unit 2, clear, foot back around.
Okay, he's grabbing something out of the passenger seat. He's a single occupant, speed 200. Still left lane, approaching volatile.
Clear, grabbing something out of the front seat, speed 100 mile an hour, left lane, 12 away.
Now in the right lane, speed 105. What's volatile?
Right lane, speed 105.
Back through hit one. Almost did head on. We're going to be going eastbound wrong way. Eastbound wrong way.
Clear, eastbound wrong way, eastbound wrong way.
Westbound and eastbound lanes coming up to Fowlerville. Westbound and the eastbound lanes coming up to Fowlerville.
4012, get on that ramp and block it off. Sun is clear, westbound, eastbound lanes.
093, I'm in the left lane, eastbound.
Clear, eastbound left lane.
Going the wrong way, getting off at Fowlerville now. In the grass area.
Coming to Fowlerville.
Clear, coming to Fowlerville.
36, pit.
Pit. Confirming pit.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!